How to change payment method on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually change your payment method on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change our payment method on Amazon, just go to amazon.com, sign into your account, then click on the account icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you click on the account icon from the top right, over here you'll find the option called Your Payments. So just click on the Your Payments option. So basically when you go to Your Payment, you'll be able to see your card that you've added. If you want to actually edit it, you can just click on the edit button to do so. Or if you want to actually add a new payment method, just click on Add a Payment Method over here. Make sure to enter your new HSA, credit or debit card or Amazon store card or personal checking accounts or Venmo account as well to your Amazon account, and your payment method will be successfully changed. If you want, you can also actually add an Amazon gift card. So hope this video helped you as to how you can actually change your payment method on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.